Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today. I asked, what message does the universe have for you all out there? And the Knight of Cups came through. And the message here is just go for it. Stop holding yourself back and just really, like, whatever's happening in your life right now, you might be having to make decisions about something, or you might be holding yourself back. You might be in indecisiveness. I'm not sure which way to go, not sure what to do. Well, this card indicates to just go for it. Just push through the fear or push through the barriers and just go for it with your head held high, right? Your cup up to the universe, cheersing. You're in victory mode and you're just going for it. All right, let me know if it resonates. Make sure you like it so I know that you're liking these readings. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified when I do the readings and videos. And I'll catch you all soon. Bye.